You must have noticed before that, unlike us, horses have their eyes at the sides of their faces. But did you ever stop to think what that's really all about? Having your eyes at the front of your face is actually a sign that you're naturally a predator. So that you're made to focus on something and get it. And that's literally what your eyes do, but that's how your brain works as well. So we have a very goal-focused approach. We know what we want to reach and we'll do anything to get there. But horses aren't predators. They have their eyes at the sides of their head, which means that they are naturally prey. They have to always be aware of their surroundings. They have to be able to flee whenever they can, and they can't afford the luxury of thinking 50 steps ahead about their eventual goal in life. So knowing this and understanding what this means is a very impressive bit of horsemanship that can help you if you're training a lot. But it's also very unnatural to us because we want to reach our goal as fast as we can and want to get there in a straight, efficient line. And horses sometimes have to take a detour. Horses don't think about their eventual goal. They think about what they're doing right now and maybe what their next step is going to be, but no further than that. So to get the most out of our horse training, we have to try and get that mindset as well. So we have to turn our own mindset around and adjust to that of the horses. So mainly this means that in our training, we have to focus on whatever we're doing now and what our horse needs now, and come up with a step-by-step plan to reach our eventual goal. So if you want help, if you need any extra support in how to take things step by step in your training, we'll be talking about it in the upcoming weeks. It will be a regular subject for videos and articles. So stay tuned, follow us on Facebook, check our website, follow us on Twitter, and you won't miss a thing.